Hi students, we are going to see measurements. In this, the learning objectives to understand the concept of area and the circumference of circle, to understand the area of circle and rectangular pathways. So first we are going to see area and the circumference of the circle. What is the shape of circle? Have you noticed the wheel of cycle, car? Yes, this is the shape is circle. Okay, so now we are going to see, already you people know the circle have center. From that center to the constant distance we have to draw. The constant distance is called radius. Here it is the position of the pin of the board is, so this diagram they are representing the position of the pin. So this pin position is called center. The length of the string is, that is this string length is called radius of the circle. Okay, then we have one more parameter, that is diameter. Diameter is 2 times of the radius, twice the radius. Okay, these three only important for circle. Next we are going to see circumference of the circle. So listen carefully. If we are taken the circles, every circles are similar to one another. Therefore, the ratio of the circumference to that diameter is the constant. That constant we will say as pi. So this is that constant symbol, and we will read this one as what? Pi. Okay, so what is the constant? Pi equal to, the constant pi equal to circumference divided by diameter. We already studied about ratio in 6th standard. What is a ratio? Comparing the quantities. Okay, so here which quantities we are comparing? Circumference and diameter. So circumference divided by diameter, the ratio is called, what is that? Pi. This is the symbol pi. Okay, now what is the formula for circumference? Generally we will denote capital C for representing circumference of the circle. Circumference, so C. Okay, don't forget, circumference means what? C. So C means what? Circumference of that circle. Okay, the C equal to, what is the formula? 2 times R pi. So 2 pi R. What is the formula? 2 pi R. So 2 into pi value, that is constant, R is radius. Suppose if you are taken the in the question, if they have given the diameter, means what is the circumference formula? Instead of 2R we can substitute D. So C equal to pi D. Okay, when the radius given, circumference formula C equal to 2 pi R. When diameter given, circumference formula equal to C equal to 2 into D. Clear? So these two formula only for circumference of the circle. So see here, this from this diagram you can understand what is diameter. Diameter is the, through the center we have to draw, that is what? Diameter. Okay, then from the center this length is called what? Radius. That length will be constant to every side. Okay, next circumference, that is the total round. This measurement is called what? Circumference. So they have given here. So when D is given, the formula is what? Pi equal to, C equal to pi D. So we will see one example here. Calculate the circumference of the length shown in the figure 2.5. Here I forgot to say one thing. The value of pi, the constant, I said pi is constant. The value of pi in fractional form 22 by 7. Okay, in fractional form what is the value of pi? 22 by 7. In decimal we can write this one as 3.14. So depends on the situation, we have to use either 22 by 7 or 3.14. Clear? So here they have given already, take pi equal to 3.14. So we have to take pi value as 3.14. Now we will see in this question. So they have given here diameter. The total length is what? Diameter through the center. So they have given D equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, so here they have used, from the D they find R, from that R they have find circumference. We can use some other formula. What is the formula? We know that C equal to pi into D. So directly we can write pi value 3.14 into our D is 6. When diameter given, we can simply do this one. So 6 4s are 24, remaining 2, 1 6 are 6 plus 2 8, 3 6 are 18. Here before 2 digit we have a decimal point, so before 2 digit if you have put means the answer is 18.84. Okay, this is a circumference. No need to find R, from that no need to put the formula. Okay, so do this simply, kindly revise. So remaining examples you have, so that also you just revise. If you have any doubt, kindly ask me. So tomorrow class we will meet. Thank you, students.